Okay guys, take a look at this. I'm going to be sharing with you guys simple way of making fish rolls. Trust me, you are going to love this recipe. So watch to the end and also help me to share. So I'm going to make use of 3 cups of self-rising flour. If you are using plain flour, add baking powder on it. Then I added 1 sachet of nutmeg. I went in with 1 tablespoon of butter. Do not use too much butter. And I added 2 eggs. So this eggs is optional. If you don't want to use eggs, it's okay. Then mix it up nicely like this. Next, I am going to be adding 5 tablespoons of sugar on it. And then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Then I'm going to add water bit by bit. Do not add too much water because you don't want it to be too soft. So go in with water bit by bit until you get your desired texture. So as you can see, how soft it is not too soft and it is not too hard. Then I'll just cover it and set it aside. Next, I am going to be making the fish sauce I will use for it. So I added mackerel fish on it and the leftover fish I have in the kitchen. So I mash it up like this on the pot, and then I'm going to be adding my red bell pepper into it and a little seasoning on it. So you can also go in with pepper if you prefer, but I'm making it for the children, so I didn't add pepper on it. So after 45 minutes, my dough is ready. If you notice, the dough is not sticking on anything again. So that is how your dough is going to be. So next, as you can see, I am cutting the dough into smaller sizes. Once I'm done cutting the dough, next I am going to roll it out in a straight line. Abi, Nasona. Next, I added my fish sauce on it, and then I'm going to roll it gentle. This is very easy to make and it's simple. Trust me, you are going to enjoy this recipe. Roll it a little bit like this, and then that is it. So this is what you are going to achieve. Once you're done rolling it, dip it into your oil and fry it on a low heat. So while you're frying this, make sure you reduce your stove, or else it's going to get browned on the outside and then on the inside it's not going to look nice. So now tell me, does this right here look like something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section. And even if you want to start up a fish roll business, guys, people will want to buy from you because of the way you make your fish roll. Just take a look at this. It really came out nice. And if you find this video helpful, please help me to share it, okay? So that it gets to more people. Guys, take a look at this. Does it look like something you would love to try? It's crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. This is what I call chop one, chop two. Take a look at this. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and see you all on my next video. Bye.